Guys, welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. First things first, Market Marauders is an investment channel to help you find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Now, today I'll be giving you my weekly dividend picks. So, it's going to be my weekly dividend pick watch list for the week. So, let's dive directly into it. So, first, we got ticker sign DOV for Dover Corporation. Moving average 50 is $85.99. Moving average 200 is $142. $100.42, and they ended the week at $84.94. Now, jumping into some background information on Dover, we can see that on May 7th, board of directors declared the regular quarterly cash dividend, 49 cents, payable on June 15th to shareholders at a record date of May 29th. So, going into some more information on them, the record date is basically the date, if you're new to dividends, is basically the date that you need to have the stock in your portfolio in order to recuperate that dividend. So basically what a company does is they pay dividends to their shareholders, which means by you owning a share of the stock, you get this dividend. So you'll get 49 cents per share you own of the dividend, which is awesome. So that means that you own two dividends, you'll get two payments of 49 cents. Three shares, three payments of 49 cents, so forth and so on. So the main important thing for dividends is to remember the record date. So that's the date that the company basically records that you have it in your portfolio, and that you can recuperate that dividend. And the payment date is the date that you'll get that. So let's say you currently have two shares. If you add more shares, then you'll get paid for those additional shares on that record date. And then this is the date you get paid. So with a lot of stocks changing in the market, it's good to see a lot of stocks still keep their dividend. And this is one of the companies that does. So you could essentially be getting an income by just taking this money, putting it into the stock, and holding it, while the market rebounds. So it's just another way of investing. There's a lot of dividend portfolio strategies out there. I have one myself. I have like a different one than most people, but you know, if that's something you're interested in, drop a comment down below, and I'll see if I can make a video about my dividend portfolio and strategies on how to accrue dividends and how to manage a dividend portfolio. Now, jumping into my second one, I have ticker sign AFL, and that's for Aflac Incorporated. Moving average 50 is 34.55. Moving average 200 is 47.33, and they ended the week at 32.99. Now, going to a press release, it says Aflac Incorporated announces first quarter results, reports first quarter net earnings of $566 million, withdraws annually adjusted EPS guidance, declares second quarter cash dividend. So they're announcing their dividend, which is fantastic for value investing, which means you'll still get paid if you own the stock. So that's always good. I'm not going to go through and read all this, but you guys can go through Google press releases for Aflac, and then you'll come up with this page, and it'll be like under the investor section. But I just Google press releases for Aflac, and this is what came up. So going into their dividend, just like the other one, the declaration date was the 29th, and the record date is the 20th. So you got a couple more days to get that dividend to your portfolio, and then you'll get paid on the 1st of June at 28 cents. So 28 cents will be added to your account 1st of June. Now it's also for any account you have. So I've done dividends for Robinhood, and I've gotten dividends. Done dividends for M1 Finance and gotten dividends. The nice thing about M1 Finance is they don't require you to have full shares. You can get partial shares. So with those partial shares, you still get dividends based on how much you have partially in your account. So if you don't have a full share in your account, they'll pay you for the difference, which basically means they'll pay you for how much of a share you have, which I think is good because you still can collect dividends. Now, jumping into my last one for the week, we got ticker sign HRL, and that's for Hormel Food Corporation. Moving average 50 is 46.46. Moving average 200 is 44.04. And they ended the week at 47.92, which is above their moving average 50 and their moving average 200. So, jumping to some background information in Hormel Foods, they actually have their second quarter earnings conference call coming up. Now, if you're new to investing and looking at background information on stocks, these conference calls are free to the public. Anybody can listen to them. You just go. Bear in mind this time, because if not, you'll miss it. But bear in mind this time, it's on Thursday the 21st, and then you'll go in here, you'll click this link, and it'll send you to a portal. The portal usually asks you a question like what company you work for, what's your name, and email address. Those are usually the only questions that it asks. Then you'll get linked to that portal where you'll be put into the conference call. So the conference calls usually have Q&A sessions where people can ask questions like retail investors like myself or other big name brokerages or people representing them. And it's a good Q&A session because there's a lot of information that's given in those actual conference calls that they don't put into their press releases. So you actually learn more information, in my opinion, from actually listening to the conference call than just sitting and going through articles and reading. So they're free to the public. So why not? The more information you have, the better informed decision you could have doing your due diligence when trying to pick good dividend stock. Now going into Hormel Foods, we have their record date has already passed. It was on the 4/13/2020. But in the conference call, they may talk about the next quarter dividend date as the record date, and then their declaration date will be updated to this list as well. So hope that helped you. Hope you all are getting into value investing. Dividends is a great way to build any portfolio to help you in the long run by just collecting money from just holding a stock. You just hold the stock and you collect money. It's kind of a win-win. And some people actually take those dividends and supplement their income, and that's something that is very valuable, especially at the time right now. People have a lot of layoffs. The economy's going crazy. There's so much uncertainty going on. Unemployment's at an all-time high. So the fact that you can still get an income and not physically be clocking in somewhere is a fantastic thing. I think more people should, look into dividends. Drop a comment down below if this video helped you. Smash that subscribe button, and good luck trading out there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.